Our lovely patient who's 37 years old is about 11 days out from her breast augmentation, repair of her umbilical hernia, and a full abdominoplasty. And she's come in today and she's very graciously agreed to share some of her thoughts and feelings about her entire experience.
Thanks, Dr. Claytor. I had 4 C-sections, my 4 beautiful babes, and they just did a number on my body. I'm 37, and I just knew I had some areas that really I just was hoping to just get restored. It's hard to find anything to go about searching for just getting restored. I wasn't looking to be a Hollywood body or anything like that, but through some family and friends recommending Dr. Claytor, I was able to get on his website and check out some other recommendations and reviews that women who had wonderful experiences with Dr. Claytor share their stories, and that helped me just get the ball rolling to get to know Dr. Claytor and his amazing upbeat staff who are just so helpful and friendly. I'd say that was the biggest take for me from my experience. Everyone was just so open and available to help me understand the processes of these different surgery areas that I had done. And before I was ready to do it, they informed me, basically were there to hold my hand and really feel comfortable before surgery. And then the surgery itself, wow, my husband and I were just like extremely amazed by the skill of Dr. Claytor. I can't say enough. The bedside manner was fabulous. Everything went so smoothly. I will say that week after surgery, you just prepare yourself and your family and you get ready for the help you need. But you can get through it. And once you're through those 3 days after all the craziness, you feel so much better and you won't believe how restored you actually are. And here I am 11 days out, just had a great post checkup, and I'm just so thankful and grateful for Dr. Claytor.
Well, you're so very kind and your words are wonderful. I like to ask people, what was your greatest apprehension or fear as you were moving in towards your surgery date?
Just all the normal things, like the crazy things that can go wrong during a serious surgery where you go under general anesthesia. You don't know what's going to happen, how your body reacts. I kind of had some of those fears seep in. Like I said, had 4 other C-sections, so I did kind of have previous experience going into surgery worrying about these things. However, I came out just fine. There's absolutely nothing about my process in the hospital that scared me. If anything, everything was just so smooth. The nurses were incredible here where I had it done at Bryn Mawr. And I didn't have to worry about any of those things.
Fabulous. The one question that comes up many times when patients are looking into pursuing this is this something that you would recommend to a friend?
I highly recommend it. I think this area of women's care is something that no one really in our culture likes to talk about in a public setting. So I also care for pregnant moms and postpartum moms. I think there's a lot of pressure out there to do everything perfect. But then you have this cultural aspect of not talking about it, not knowing who you can talk about it with. So I just really encourage all women to check out Dr. Claytor's site. Try to find some family or friends that, or at least even if they haven't had these things done, whether they have their own kids or know of moms that have had children, it's just a great spot to start to get someone who you care about, who you trust, to kind of open that conversation with you. So
I love that. I love that.
on a
No, I love
tangent
it. No, I think you touched on something that I haven't really addressed, and that is, I don't want to call it the normalization of patients looking to regain what they have traded with multiple pregnancies, but I loved how you characterized that.
Cool.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.